Hello everyone, my name is John Philip Ilog from BSIT 3K. So today we're going to create a login registration laboratory activity 2 SIA. So the title is creating a login and registration with middleware authentication in Laravel. So manually create a user registration and login system. So moving na tayo sa instruction. So create a new Laravel project. So we already created. Kasi time consuming siya. Okay, so configure database connections. So with this instruction, I instructed the AI to create a much comprehensive, much comprehensive instruction so that we can proceed. While, as we all know na sa IT industry, well, they already migrated with AI collaboration, no? To make their works much easier and very easy to comprehend. And as for beginner as I am, we're going to use AI. So, ayan, configure database connection. And also, we create, o nga pala, di ba natin sabi, lahat ng DB database natin or Laravel project natin, we should use our surname. As instructed, once na hindi natin ginamit ito, zero tayo. Okay, so, ayun. Configure the database connection. So, what we're going to do is go to the .nv and then palitan lang natin. Minus MySQL as well as middle underscore DB. Okay. Underscore DB. So yun, isa natin yung comment. So yun, connected na to. Next naman, save natin of course. Next naman, we're going to create a model. Create a model and migration for users. So I open migration file under database migrations. Database and migration. So and edit the app function. Unique email verified, email password. So we're just going to proceed to our AI for a match. So ayan, model narration. So paste natin ito sa terminal and it will automatically create the model. And right after that, edit natin yung ginawa nating model. So ayun. Paste lang natin dyan. Then another is for the controller naman. We're going to create our controller. So yun. Nice controller natin. And then copy lang natin and paste dito. And that's it. Moving forward, another controller for our login naman. So, ayun na siya. Then, i-paste lang ulit natin naman niya. And moving forward, another naman for our dashboard controller. For our dashboard controller, same process. Next is for our model. Lang natin muna sa app. Ito. Yan. And next naman, create a controller, registration, already done. Model, ayun, nag-create tayo ng natin. Model. As well, mag-implement muna tayo ng middleware. Okay. Create a middleware. So, sa terminal na rin natin gagawin. So, that's it for our middleware. Yan na siya. And within our middleware, i-paste natin to corresponding code. Next, register the middleware at app http kernel kernel.php http kernel.php app http kernel.php. So, wala siya. Lagyan na lang natin. Ayan. Kernel.php. So, we're just going to follow the AIA. Okay, so yun, moving on naman. We're going to create blade view files. So, punta tayo sa views, and mag-create tayo ng file natin dito. Okay. That's next naman for our login. So, login natin. Paste lang natin. Next is sa dashboard naman. Wait lang. And within our dashboard, lagyan natin ang generated code. Now, onto our next step naman. I-define natin yung route natin. So, sa web.php, navigate tayo sa web.php. And paste lang natin ito dito. And after naman nun, we're going to run and test the application. Okay. But before that, dapat naka-open yung sump natin. open natin Apache and MySQL. So, ayun. Save lang natin mga files natin. Manually. So, para sigurado. Yeah. So, ayun. Double check na natin. Database. Okay. So, ayun. So, ayun. Next step naman. Open your browser. Make sure login access dashboard. Log out. Dapat ito yung magawa natin. User can register, log in. Only authenticate user can access dashboard. And session-based authentication. So, ayun. Kailangan ako natin. PHP Artisan Server. Okay. PHP Artisan Server. So, try natin. Dito siya. Wait lang natin. User can register, log in, and log out manually. We're just gonna wait for a couple seconds. Address user. So, ayan, may query exception tayo. Dito sa index.php. So, saan ba yun? Base table 1, view not found in table. Doesn't exist. Connection, select from session. Or ID. So, check muna natin. MySQL from sessions. Public. Public. Mm, vendor Laravel framework. Vendor Laravel framework. So dito sa vendor Laravel framework. Framework. Next naman is source illuminate database. Source illuminate database. Next naman is connection.php. Connection.php. So, some part ng that. Line number 20. App handle. Exception trace. Server.php. Foundation source. framework, source, illuminate, source, foundation, 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 resource, server, foundation, resource, resource, and server, PHP, line number 23, index of PHP. So with that, we're just going to Kwanda lang as our partner. To fix the error and online number 23 at our server that page at our server that PHP. Securing because you're using version is compatible with your PHP version. So better compatibility. Start the version of your server that PHP file. So ayun, ni-remove nyo lang pala yung file. Dapat i-remove lang to quality operation from line number 1. Okay. So ayun, save lang natin. Now for our next error naman, exception. So line number 20. So ano lang natin. Trying to use a database session, but the session table doesn't exist in your database. Okay, siya eh. So ayun, change session driver to file config session.php. Config session.php. So redirect tayo sa config session. Config session. Dito. Session.php. So ayun. Sabi, edit natin or editor. Ayun na lang. So edit na lang natin yung sa.env natin. Sa database. Okay. And gawin natin yung session driver into 5. So 5. Step to clear configuration cache. Okay. Bash. So sa terminal tayo lalagay. Input natin sa terminal. Bago na tayo bago. Okay. Configuration cache cleared successfully. So next, alternative solution. Cache state run. No. Update your controller to use manual session properly. So, say, Taylor login controller.php sa taas yan, which is nandito. So, ayan. So, once naman nagka-problema kahit, kasi sabi dito alternative. So, step 3, in-skip natin yung step 3. Nag-proceed tayo sa step 4. Ayan. 48. Return earlier. Now, update naman natin yung middleware natin. So, ayan. Okay. So, I think supported naman natin multiple lines. So, ayan. Start. And then, itatest natin application natin. Ulit. So, hopefully, gumana na. So, perhaps, siguro, hindi natin na-save yung file. Kaya nag-error. Yes. Save muna natin. So, ulitin natin. So, ayan na siya guys. Ilog login, ilog dash login, and ano bang hinahanap ng document pa natin? So, expected output, user can register. So, first we're going to register. So, you don't have account, go to the register page. Okay, so full name, ano natin? John Philip. Ay, John Philip. Okay. Email address, password, ano natin? QWERTY123. Okay, so, yan. QWERTY123. So, register. Registration successfully. So, just muna natin yan. So, ayun, mare-redirect ka ulit sa login. So, sabi dito, user can log in as well. No? So, ayun. Ito, the password natin is QWERTY123. Ayun, as you can see. Moving forward muna, skip muna natin yan. I mean, check muna natin if successfully ang sa DB natin. Register. Mm, yellow underscore register. So, ayun, na-register na natin account natin, guys. So, yan na, John Philip Ilog 0. And our password, which is naka-hide siya. So, ulit tayo na, para mas makita natin. Mag-register ulit tayo, and full name natin. John Philip, ikaw na naman. Dutch. Ito, palitan natin ng 1 na lang. And for our password, T123 pa din. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan. So, naka-register na tayo. Then, check naman natin sa database kung naka-register na talaga. I-reload lang natin. So, ayan siya. John Philip Dutch. So, ayan. Nag-create siya and naka-hide yung password. So, moving on forward, mag-login na tayo. Yung second na ginawa natin. Okay, so, 4123. Once na nakapag-login tayo, dapat log out manually. Only authenticated user can access, wait lang, call the undefined method. Middleware. So there's another error. Double check natin. login as eval login eval dash dashboard. So only authenticated users can access dashboard. So does that mean na hindi pa tayo authenticated? So ayun, session storage. So ayun, try natin ulit mag-login. Ayun, dyan naman siya. So ayun, ay, 40, 1, 2, 3. So, dapat mare-redirect siya sa dashboard. No? Tingnan natin. So, error talaga guys. So, papalitan natin sa controller dito. Okay. Ito sa controller. And dashboard controller. So, anong nakalagay? Clear up dash